boy. Remember, I've been going to the state fair for years. And I remember there was only one kind of corny dog they had here. Now they diversified with the Fletcher. You got your original, you got your jalapeno with cheese, bird dog, which is turkey.
Thank you. You enjoying?
Hey!
How are you today?
All fine, yes. One corny dog, please.
I got you coming right up.
Yeah. Okay, like I said, they got all kinds of corny dogs here. They got the original, jalapeno, bird dog, veggie dog for those vegans out there. That's right. But this is why many people go to the state fair. Ta-da! Load this baby up with mustard, and you're good to go. Get ready, folks. It's corny dog chowing time. Yes!